Hi everyone, this is Jordan Terry and I'm here to share with you what's included in your July 2020 Monthly Value Program. The Monthly Value Program, or MVP for short, is a tool for you to send to your database to share your expertise, provide your clients with a referral tool, and build your reputation in your market. And like the name says, we give it to you every month as part of your Marketing Club membership. So let's take a look. This month, the MVP is titled Add Value to Your Home with these 9 DIY improvements. It gives your base valuable info on landscaping improvements, installing smart home technology, and upgrading outdated fixtures. You can easily share this information with your market with the provided social media posts, blog article, and newsletter report. All of these are fully customizable, so you can give them your own personal touch. And the blog article is even auto-posted to your marketing site each month. Along with the post and the report, we also give you a phone script, collateral for 2 online videos, and an email template so you can share this information with your clients wherever they prefer to hear from you. Feeling overwhelmed with how to use all this great info? Don't worry, we provide a monthly marketing calendar with our recommended posting schedule so you can fully implement the MVP. Want to learn more about the Monthly Value Program and how it can help you stand out in your market? Join the club for 14 days for just $1 and get instant access to everything the club has to offer.